songbirds.com, where we get grounded, take flight, and sing. And today you're going to learn how to riff and run like your fave R&B singers. Yep, I mean like Beyonce, Christina Aguilera, and co. Thumbs up if you'd love that. 4 crucial points to sing riffs and runs. Number 1, flexibility. Number 2, a great ear. Number 3, break it down. And number 4, patience. Let's start with number 1, flexibility. In order to sing riffs and runs like Queen Bee, you need a great deal of flexibility and agility in your voice. It's like an acrobat needing to be super flexible with their body in order to perform incredibly impossible feats. Riffing and running is kind of like acrobatics for the voice, so you'll need to be able to move up and down your range very effortlessly and quickly. So we're going to start with a simple exercise on a 5-note scale with an E, A, and R vowel, like this. E, A, R. Okay, now of course we're not going to start it that fast. We're going to go really, really slow to begin with, and we're also going to separate each of the notes like this. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Okay, and once you get the hang of that, then we'll start to really speed it up. So let's try that now. Girls here and guys here, come along with me. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. You get the idea. Now we're going to speed it up a little bit, like this. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Together. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Fantastic! Now it's time to get even quicker with it. Here we go. Let's try this together. Me, 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 ma, 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 ma. Excellent. You know what? Now we're going to take off the M's at the beginning of the vowels because they're kind of like training wheels. We're now going to sing it all legato just on an E, like this. E, A, R. Okay, let's do that together now. E, A, R. E, A, R. E, A, R. Well done, Songbird. Okay, so once you've developed your flexibility, now it's time for number 2. You need to develop a great ear. If your voice is flexible and agile, but you're not attentive enough to hear the notes properly, you're likely going to fall flat, and your riffs and runs will sound a bit sloppy instead of impressive. Here is an exercise to train your hearing and pitching accuracy. And it's simply singing the scale degrees of a major scale, being really attentive to hit each note right in its center, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, why don't you try that together with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, girls here and guys here, and let's try this together for just a bit more than one cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 3, now it's time to break it down. In order for you to sing riffs and runs with accuracy, it is so important to break it down note by note. If we get lazy with this step, it results in a lazy or sloppy sounding or even pitchy riff. So I'm going to go through the steps of how we break down a riff using the example of part of the riff from One Direction's Drag Me Down. And the riff goes like this. So one of the things that you would do is you would download a free app called Anytune. And then what you can actually do is import the song, whatever song that you're working on and the part where the riff is, into this app, and it slows down the riff so that you can hear every note slowly and break it down. You've got to make sure that you know every single note by singing it through note by note, like something like this. So I'll demo that on that One Direction riff that we just heard. So instead of just going straight for the riff, right, you would break it down and you'd really make sure you know every single note. And then maybe use some sort of a sound like a whoa to sing it. So whoa, 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 whoa. Once you've nailed it at that slow speed, but note for note, then it's time to just gradually speed it up, but gradually, okay? Do not leap into making it fast immediately. And once you've nailed it fast in separate notes, try it joined together. Okay, I think you got it. Now, by the way, shout out to my fellow friend and vocal coach, Natalie Weiss, over at her Breaking Down the Riffs channel. If you're serious about singing riffs and would like to have an absolute blast learning how, you really got to check out her channel. She is the queen of breaking down the riffs. And finally, number 4, patience. Singing riffs and runs well takes time, therefore it takes patience. Don't get down on yourself if you can't get it right away. Just listen again, break it down and slow it down, gradually increasing the speed, and you will eventually get there. So there you have it, Songbird. 4 crucial points to help you sing riffs and runs like Queen Bee. Next time, I'll be teaching you how to increase your vocal stamina. Thumbs up if you're excited about that. Now, to make sure you don't miss it, just subscribe to the channel or over at my website at songbird.com. And when you sign up there at the website, you'll also get an amazing freebie workout video to transform your voice. Yep, that's my free gift to you. Now, please help your fellow Songbird friends in the worldwide family to sing riffs and runs too by sharing this video with them. Now, for more vocal tips and vocal inspirations and vocal health tips and many other stuff that we get up to at songbird.com, please do follow us on social media. Songbird, I am always believing in you. So go forth and get grounded, take flight, and sing them riffs and runs. Now, if you'd really love to get better with your singing and to improve your vocals quickly, please do make sure you check out the Vocal Revolution program. This is a program that I've created with all of my heart to give you everything that you need to become the singer that you have always wanted to be. It's me as your virtual vocal coach with direct support from myself and my team of associate coaches so that you never feel alone and you can always get your questions answered. So please go and check it out at songbird.com.